Before leaving for vacation, put a piece of paper in your sink. This trick helps you avoid an annoying problem that often shows up after a long trip. But first, make sure your sink is clean. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a natural cleaner, breaking down grease and dissolving residue. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of any dish soap. Dish soap cuts through grease and helps clear grime from inside the pipes. Then pour vinegar over everything and wait 5 minutes. It will create a fizzing foam that dissolves buildup and freshens the pipes. Now, for the paper trick. Take a regular sheet of paper and place it over half the drain opening. You'll also need a glass. Set it on top of the paper to weigh it down slightly. This clever method prevents the water in the trap from evaporating too quickly, keeping it sealed. That way, the pipe under your sink won't turn into a source of bad smells. Even after 2 weeks away, your home will smell just as fresh as always. It's a simple solution that doesn't require special products or much effort.